Fans of Big Brother 27 tuned in tonight expecting another thrilling episode filled with drama, strategy, and unexpected twists, only to discover that the hit reality series was missing from its regular schedule. This sudden absence immediately sent social media buzzing with questions, speculation, and frustration. Loyal viewers who follow every eviction, every veto competition, and every alliance-building conversation are left wondering why the show skipped its planned September 7th episode and, more important, when it will officially return. To answer these burning questions, let's break down the reasons behind the disruption, the network's programming decisions, and what fans can expect in the coming days. Big Brother is a summer television staple that has built a reputation for consistency. Every week fans are used to 3 episodes, delivering live competitions, intense social gameplay, and house guests' emotional highs and lows. That routine was disrupted on September 7th when CBS replaced the scheduled episode with other programming, leaving fans scrambling for explanations. For many, this break feels especially frustrating because Big Brother 27 is already in one of its most crucial stages of the season. As the competition narrows and the number of house guests dwindles, every missed episode feels like a huge setback in following the game's trajectory. The first and most common reason Big Brother episodes are delayed or preempted is live sports coverage. CBS is home to multiple major sporting events throughout the year, and these broadcasts frequently interfere with primetime programming. September is a particularly busy time as the NFL season kicks off and U.S. Open tennis matches dominate schedules. In past seasons, episodes of Big Brother have often been pushed aside or delayed by tennis tournaments or football games that run into the evening slot. On September 7th, CBS aired special coverage that bumped the regular Big Brother installment. For longtime fans, this disruption is not new, but it never fails to spark disappointment, especially when the competition is heating up inside the house. Another factor that sometimes plays a role is scheduling shifts due to holidays or special broadcasts. Early September in the United States marks Labor Day, and networks often experiment with their lineups around that holiday weekend. With families traveling, gathering, or simply taking time away from their televisions, CBS occasionally opts to postpone episodes until viewership is expected to rise again. That decision may have contributed to the missing episode on September 7th, as the network strategizes to ensure Big Brother pulls in maximum ratings. For viewers, however, explanations about programming conflicts and strategic scheduling only go so far. What most fans want to know is how long they will have to wait before the series returns to its normal rhythm. Fortunately, the wait is not long at all. Big Brother 27 is set to resume with its usual episodes later in the week, and CBS has confirmed the adjusted schedule. This means that while the September 7th episode is absent, fans will still get the same number of weekly installments, just slightly rearranged. The network often doubles down after a preemption, ensuring the missing content is worked into the next broadcast window so no storyline or competition is left behind. This is critical because missing even one episode can feel catastrophic for dedicated viewers. Unlike scripted dramas, where an episode can be watched later without much impact, Big Brother unfolds in real time, with the house guests' every move broadcast to the world via live feeds. Each televised episode connects those live events to a broader audience, showcasing the competitions, diary room confessions, and edited drama that fuel watercooler discussions. Skipping a night means fans feel out of the loop, particularly when it comes to key events like nominations, veto competitions, icons, or eviction ceremonies. With tensions running high in week 9 of Big Brother 27, fans were hungry for every scrap of gameplay in sight, making this disruption sting all the more. If history is any guide, CBS's decision to bump the September 7th episode won't derail the season's momentum. Big Brother has been through many similar interruptions before. Loyal fans may recall seasons where Sunday episodes were pushed for golf or tennis, or where live eviction nights clashed with presidential addresses or breaking news coverage. In each case, the show adjusted its schedule, sometimes adding an extra episode or extending coverage to ensure fans didn't miss out on crucial developments. Big Brother 27 will follow the same pattern, with a quick return to form that allows the storyline to stay intact. The timing of the skipped episode also raises questions about how it might affect the pacing of the game. With each week structured around head of household competitions, nominations, veto battles, and evictions, the show relies on a predictable rhythm. When one episode disappears, CBS often condenses content into the next available broadcast. For example, viewer may see nominations and veto competitions crammed into a single episode instead of spread out over two. While that can make episodes feel rushed, it also heightens the intensity, delivering non-stop action that some fans actually prefer. In the case of September 7th, viewer can expect upcoming episodes to pack even more drama as the producers make up for lost time. Beyond the immediate disruption, this brief break also serves as a reminder of how passionate Big Brother fans are. Within minutes of noticing the missing episode, Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook groups exploded with comments, complaints, and theories. Some fans speculated about production issues inside the house, wondering if technical malfunctions or health concerns forced a delay. Others blamed CBS for prioritizing sports over loyal Big Brother viewer. The reality is far simpler. Programming conflicts happen, and Big Brother's return is already locked in. Still, the online reaction highlights how deeply invested fans are in every twist and turn of the season. For CBS, managing these interruptions is always a balancing act. On one hand, Big Brother delivers solid ratings and has a dedicated fan base that tunes in multiple nights each week. On the other hand, live sports bring massive audiences and advertising revenue that networks cannot afford to ignore. The network has to juggle these competing priorities while trying to keep fans satisfied. The September 7th preemption may feel like a snub to Big Brother's loyal following, but in the larger context of television scheduling, it was a strategic move aimed at maximizing overall viewership. When Big Brother 27 returns, fans will dive right back into the drama without missing a beat. The house is at a crucial stage where alliances are shifting, strategies are intensifying, and every competition could change the game. House guests are fighting harder than ever to secure their spot in the finale, and the next few episodes promise fireworks. Viewer can expect the skipped content to be incorporated seamlessly, with CBS ensuring that the season maintains its usual flow leading up to the highly anticipated finale night. For fans, the message is clear, the wait is short, and the payoff will be worth it. To fully appreciate why this disruption matters, it's worth revisiting Big Brother's unique place in reality television. Unlike other shows that film months in advance, Big Brother unfolds live, with episodes closely tied to real-time events in the house. That immediacy is part of its appeal. Fans don't just watch Big Brother. They experience it alongside the house guests, reacting to twists as they happen. Missing a single night feels like falling behind on a collective journey. The September 7th preemption temporarily interrupts that shared experience, but thanks to the show's quick return, the bond between fans and house guests will remain strong. In many ways, this break also demonstrates Big Brother's resilience. Over the years, the show has survived scheduling interruptions, production challenges, and even a global pandemic, yet it continues to deliver compelling television every summer. The missing September 7th episode is just another minor hurdle in a long history of adjustments. Fans who stick with the show will soon be rewarded with episodes that capture the excitement, betrayal, and strategy that define Big Brother's legacy. As for when Big Brother 27 officially returns, CBS has slotted the show back into its regular schedule immediately following the September 7th gap. Viewer can tune in later in the week to catch the next episode, which will likely cover the missing storyline and bring everyone up to speed. The season remains on track for its finale, with no long-term delays expected. In other words, Big Brother isn't going anywhere, it's just taking a brief pause before diving back into the action. So while fans may be disappointed tonight, the future looks bright for Big Brother 27. The skipped episode is only a temporary setback, and the upcoming broadcasts promise to deliver even more drama and strategy as the game barrels toward its conclusion. If anything, the short break may even heighten anticipation, making the next episode feel like an even bigger event. For those who live and breathe Big Brother, the message is simple: stay patient, because the show will be back before you know it. In the meantime, fans can keep up with the live feeds to satisfy their curiosity about what's happening inside the house. The feeds continue to stream 24/7, giving diehards a chance to stay updated even when televised episodes are delayed. This way, viewers can still follow competitions, alliances, and conflicts in real time, ensuring they don't miss a moment of the action. When the show returns to CBS, those live feed highlights will be crafted into polished episodes that tell the full story. Ultimately, Big Brother 27's brief absence on September 7th is just a blip in an otherwise thrilling season. The house guests are still scheming, the competitions are still unfolding, and the finale is drawing ever closer. Fans may have to wait a couple extra days for the next official episode, but the drama is far from over. If anything, the delay only makes the return even sweeter, promising a jam-packed continuation of the most unpredictable reality show on television. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.